as cleaner label ingredients.
I think one of the key objectives is actually to work hand in hand together with the school and Bakar, the students, to learn what more can be done from these traditional snacks, which are actually the Bakar consumer itself. From there, we hope to cross-pollinate so that we can actually look at more applications of these traditional snacks.
I think in this competition, the students did really well in trying to incorporate more like fiber or like replacing wheat flour with the wholemeal flour, and then to make the dish more nutritional, but also doesn't lose the taste and the flavor profile.
Looking at the creativity of the dish, the originality, as well as how the flavors all blend together, and of course in the connection with nutritional aspects as well.
Taste is very important to me from the chef perspective. So besides taste, the food must have texture, and also it must serve warm and it must be tasty too.